Alright, let's break down one of the most important ideas in cloud computing: regions and availability zones. Imagine the cloud as a giant map. Now, a region is simply a specific physical location on that map. Think of it like a city. Cloud providers have regions all over the world: North America, Europe, Asia. You get the idea. Inside each region, there are several availability zones, or AZs for short. Here's the trick. Each AZ is a separate, isolated data center, but they're all part of the same region. It's kind of like a neighborhood with a bunch of apartment buildings. You're still in the same city, but each building can stand on its own. Now, why do these AZs matter? Because in cloud, you want your apps to be reliable. If something happens to one AZ, like, say, a power outage, your stuff in the other AZs keeps running. That's what I call high availability. So here's the move. Deploy your app across multiple availability zones. Let's say you've got a web app. You'd put copies of your servers, databases, and all the important stuff in more than one AZ. If one goes down, your users barely notice. You get redundancy, which is just a fancy way of saying you have backup in place. Each tier of your application, like the front end, back end, and database, should have its own backup instance in another AZ. To sum up, regions are the big global locations. Availability zones are like strong separated buildings within those locations. Deploy across AZs and your app stays up and running, even if disaster strikes. That's cloud basics done right. Next up, I'll show you how to pick the best regions and AZs for your project. Stick around!